about everywhere.
Some people, they done lost their mind, turned too hard
As I said,
on
very
the
sharp.
wheel.
Sharp. He's engaged. He pushes us.
Think it's okay
He's as sharp as a tack.
to destroy, steal and kill.
Thanks, come on.
If the crazies get their way, America never be the same. Get on board that Trump train, baby. Get on board that train. Get on board that Trump train, baby. Get on board.
Glad you made it aboard. Good job.
That train.
You know, I was trying to figure out why she would pick the self-proclaimed knucklehead as her running mate. Then I remembered while he was letting his state burn to the ground by them Antifa Black Lives Matter punks, she was bailing those same people out of jail. Now it all kind of makes sense. Not anything I'd be proud of.
Do what you like what you do. That includes speaking your mind.
Lay it on me, baby, let me hear.
I'm okay with you doing your thing. I do mine.
That's for damn sure.
That ain't good enough for some. They demand things go their way.
They got some nerve.
Got news for all you communists. That ain't the American way.
Listen, I ain't
If
kidding.
the crazies get their way, America never be the same. Get on board that Trump train, baby. Get on board that train. Get on board that Trump train, baby. Get on board.
Well, since we on this ride together, my name's Mike and I like dogs.
That train.
And don't it piss off any of you Democrats you didn't even get to choose your nominee? Single mothers raising kids and retired folk on fixed incomes. Can your wallet really take 4 more years of this? Mine can't. And good God almighty, that cackling.